So hello friends, I lost my battery on my DSLR, so I just thought let's record it on my phone. So I just wanted to make a video about a kind of a index video, just specifying what all I am going to cover in my tutorials. I am planning to make videos on several web technologies. That is, I will be making a series on HTML and CSS, and later on maybe I will cover jQuery and then a little bit of SAS. And after that, I will look into the developer side. Mostly, I will be covering PHP, MySQL, and if time permits, we will go into Laravel as well. But for the time being, we will first start with the front end technologies, that is HTML and CSS. I have already created a couple of videos. The last one I have already uploaded, and the second one is in the editing process. And apart from this, I will also be creating videos on graphic design. I will be covering the Photoshop and the Illustrator. So in Photoshop and Illustrator, I will be specifically covering the web designing part. That is, I will not be looking into other aspects of Photoshop like photo correction and things which a photographer needs. I will be simply looking at uh, specifics in web design. So I will be guiding you in a step-by-step process. Apart from this, I will also guide you in career guidance, like what all you need to study to get a decent job. I will be providing career guidance in terms of web technologies, in terms of programming, in terms of frameworks, and I will update you with the latest technologies in web. And if you feel you have something to share, or if you wish to collaborate with me, to send me a message or just comment below this video. I am also planning to promote some other YouTube channels which I feel are worth promoting, of course. And if you think your channel is one of those, just send me an email at abhi@renisha.com. Renisha.com is my service providing website. Actually, it's a firm named Renisha Web Services, which is located in Latur in Maharashtra. Apart from this, I also have a website called Cots.in, and that's an e-commerce portal actually selling t-shirts, and we do the in-house graphics design of t-shirts on Cots.in, and we sell nationwide, of course. And if you are located anywhere in India, you can always order the t-shirts. That's kind of a promo in between these. Apart from this, if you have any doubts in any of the video, you can just comment and ask, and I will be very glad to help you out. I am going to cover the series in a step-by-step manner, because it would not be a prudent thing to go into all of these technologies suddenly, because it might take some time for you to understand. The best way for you to learn is first learn HTML, CSS, then jQuery, then go for a CSS framework like Bootstrap. And once you have mastered this, then you can go into Ajax, which is also a front end kind of a thing, but it also interacts with the back end. So Ajax is a kind of a hybrid technology. It's a little bit of both the front end and the back end. And in the back end, of course, I will be covering PHP, MySQL, and I will be covering the procedural part, because the object oriented part is something which I am still learning. But by the time I will be covering all this, maybe I get an hand into it. But for those who are just starting out, I would recommend them to go for the OOP PHP, because that's the future. And once you have mastered the PHP MySQL in OOPS, then you can always master Laravel, because that's dependent on your mastery of PHP, of course. So most companies prefer guys who can deliver in terms of better code and faster work. So if you can code and if you can code fast, obviously you will be hired. There is no doubt about it. because companies are nowadays not looking for the degrees, they are looking for talent, and it applies to companies in India and abroad. So if you want to stay ahead, just learn the skill, just master it, just learn it the right way, learn it fast, do it fast, practice, be perfect, and you are hired. Apart from this, if you want to be a freelancer, of course there are tons of ways, and I have covered it in my last video itself, which I have made it in my DSLR. Of course, it seems like my mobile video is better than my DSLR. I guess I know the next question would be which mobile phone I am using. I would keep it a secret because I want that comment below. I am crazy about getting more comments because I am a newbie in the YouTube world. As a new YouTuber, I need your comments, I need your support, I need your motivation. And once you motivate me, I will promise that I will keep motivating you every day. So hope you like this video. It's a general chit chat kind of a video, but I hope you got an idea about where you want to be in the web technologies field. And I will tell you one more thing. Most of the students who have just completed BCA, BCS, or a software engineering or a computer science course, specifically those who are in a dilemma whether they should go for a completely software kind of a field, a desktop software kind of a field, like creating desktop applications, or those who want to go for they are in a dilemma whether they should go for the desktop technologies or the web technologies. I would always advise them to go for web, because the cloud is the future and every applications in the future will be made on the cloud. So there is no doubt that you will have to learn web technologies in future. Every application is gonna made for the web, every application will open in a browser in future. So it's better to know about these web technologies. And if you are wondering, you can be an Android web developer, an app or iOS developer, you just don't need to learn web design, then remember one thing: even apps need UI UX designers, and UI UX designers develop this in front-end technologies, even for the mobile or the mobile for web. So it's always good to learn something new. And I am not against I am not obviously I am not against going for Android development, because Android has a huge market. It's going to be millions or billions of dollar market in the decade to come. So even if you are going for these kind of technologies, I would always advise to learn a little bit of all of these I have mentioned. No doubt you have to be a master in a specific skill set, but I guess you got the idea about what I want to say today. And if you have any suggestions about how I should proceed in my tutorial, do comment. So thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to this channel and give a like.